Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be definitely unboxing my SHEIN order that I bought. This is my SHEIN order, guys. I'll be unboxing with you. Hope you'll enjoy. Let's go. First thing first, there is this box of shoes. Oh yeah. So my niece is graduating. I bought these beautiful shoes for her. She asked me to buy butterfly shoes, so I bought these shoes. This is the butterfly shoes I bought for her, as you can see. Right. The shoes is amazing. Beautiful butterfly shoes. Yes. So I can't wait for her to try it on. Let's see what I got. Oh yes, I bought these a pair of butt gloves for myself. And then I bought this nice personalized bag for my phone. See? Written Nogwazi. It's personalized, my name, Nogwazi. Love it. So cute. Okay, let me just put it aside. What is this? Don't know what is this, but I think it's a pair of socks. Yeah, pair of socks. What I got? Oh my hairband! Oh my hairband! Oh my hairband! My hairband! That come in a pack of 3. Let me just show you guys. Let me just show you. Ooh. Let me take the black one because I don't want to miss my things. See? It's the Herbert. Oh, I'm so happy. I've been wanting this and the quality is amazing. So I'm happy with these ones. Oh, also for my passport, I bought the personalized passport bag. Personalized passport bag. See. And for my name, Nogwazi, and I got for blue because I love blue. See? Beautiful passport bag. Love it. About these as well. About these. Take a pic. Love it. For these as well. Beautiful. I love the texture. I love it. Who wants to go with me to watch some soccer? I wanna, when I'm going to run on my errands and stuff, or when I decide to go and watch soccer. So, I wanna my casualty, guys. I love this t-shirt. I don't regret buying it. I love it. Love it so much. Let me see what else. Happened, because I lost. Guys, once I keep lash, so I decided to buy how many 50 pieces. So yeah. When I'm working out, I do like this. And then the next thing, mangi keeper say lash, so decided to buy new 50 packs. What is? Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh yes, yes, yes. How about this? No more holding my cam in my bathroom, especially when I do like, you know, when I want to get ready with me, when I want to do get ready with me, especially when I do makeup and stuff. I'm not gonna be holding anything. So this is my new bathroom. Not really bedroom, but I'm going to use it in my bedroom. I'm gonna mount this in my bedroom, especially when I want to do like my videos, when I do makeup or get ready with me, whatever, you know. Yes, this is her metric dress. She is going to attend I not metric. Why am I saying metric? Yo, I'm such a hand. She's going to attend grade 7, you know, grade or something like that. I'm not gonna be opening this dress. I'm not gonna open it. She'll be hurt if I can do that. But it's a very beautiful, nice dress. Let me continue. What is this? What is this? I say, Mama, you know, guys, I love beautiful tops, so I'm gonna wear these. You see, it's more like this one, you know. Cut with some jeans and stuff. Yes, guys, and I bought. Did I show you guys? I bought these pairs of socks. Yes. Let me open for you and show you. The socks. Show you guys the quality. How many are there? Mangaki 4. You see? I always wear. I'm a soggy singer. That's one thing about me. Then wearing I prefer wearing socks. So yeah. And then I bought these. Oh, but okay, they are stretchy, you know. What size is this? Medium. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna keep them, and when I lose weight, definitely I'm going to try them on. But I think they are stretchy. Maybe they are going to, you know. Oh, they are stretchy, guys. Definitely they will fit and cover my boobs nice. Yes, guys, there's 3 tees. There is black. There is beautiful red, plain red, and my 60 white tee. They're all stretchy and beautiful, so definitely gonna look pretty. And then another pack of hair belts. Oh, this is the game that I'm going to play with you guys. But and I'm gonna play with you guys, but also I'm gonna play this game with my partner, and I'm gonna make like a YouTube video. Yes, I hope he will agree when I propose it to him. Yes. So yeah, guys, that's it. I'm done with my time haul. But the highlights of it all, guys, the shoes that my niece asked me to buy for her. I mean, the quality. Oh, I love it. And I love these. Let me show you this. By the way, guys, thank you for watching my SHEIN unboxing video. I really appreciate it. See, I got cream white, I've got brown, I've got black. Yes, guys, we are done. Thank you so much for watching my SHEIN unboxing haul video. See you on the next one. Bye. Bye, guys.